What is water demand? What are its types? Someone has said that if there is magic on this planet, it is contained in water. Water is the basic need of life. We all use water according to our needs. Someone uses for irrigation, someone for washing clothes, someone for cleaning, etc. But the most important use of water is drinking. Water demand is water requirements for a particular purpose, as for irrigation, power, municipal supply, plant, transpiration or storage. The various types of water demands are domestic demand, industrial demand, institutional and commercial demand, public demand, fire demand, losses in wastes and thefts. Domestic water demand includes water required in residential buildings, for drinking, cleaning of houses, washing of clothes and cooking, etc. The industrial demand represents the water demand of industries which are either existing or are likely to be started in future in the city for which water supply is being planned. The water requirements of institutions such as railway stations, factories, etc. should also be assessed and provided. Public demand includes the quantity of water required for public utility purposes such as watering of parks, use in public fountains, etc. In thickly populated and industrial areas, fire generally breaks out and may lead to serious damages. So in that case, excess quantity of water is required for extinguishing fire. Losses include the water lost in leakage due to bad plumbing and damaged taps, etc. The related term is